Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have something really exciting for you. We're going to talk about life hacks that can help your car last forever, or at least a lot longer than you might think. You see, with the right care and maintenance, your car can serve you faithfully for many years, saving you a ton of money in the process. I've compiled a list of life hacks that you can use to keep your car running smoothly for as long as possible. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1. Protect your undercarriage with fluid film. If you live in an area where roads are salted during winter, your car's undercarriage is vulnerable to rust and corrosion. Salt can eat away at the metal, leading to serious damage over time. But there's a hack to prevent this: fluid film undercoating. Fluid film is a lanolin-based product that creates a protective barrier against moisture and salt. You can apply it yourself or have it done professionally. It's a small investment that can save you from costly repairs down the road. Number 2. Wash your car smartly in winter. Speaking of winter, it's crucial to wash your car regularly to remove salt and grime. However, if you've applied fluid film or a similar undercoating, you should avoid washing the undercarriage, as it could remove the protective layer. Instead, focus on washing the body and wheels. Also, make sure to wash your car when the temperature is above 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Why? Because if it's colder, water can freeze in the seams and cause damage. So, timing is key here. Number 3. Give your car an Italian tune-up. Now, this might surprise you. Sometimes, to keep your car in top shape, you need to drive it hard. It's called the Italian tune-up. By periodically accelerating hard and reaching higher RPMs, you can help burn off carbon deposits in the engine. This can improve performance and prevent issues down the line. Of course, make sure your engine is warmed up first, and don't do this if your car isn't in good condition. But for a well-maintained vehicle, a little spirited driving now and then can be beneficial. Number 4. Check all your fluids regularly. Most people know to check their engine oil, but there are other fluids that are just as important: transmission fluid, brake fluid, coolant, power steering fluid. These all need to be at the right levels and in good condition. Make it a habit to check them regularly, say once a month. If any are low, top them up, and if they look dirty or contaminated, consider having them changed. Keeping your fluids in check can prevent a lot of mechanical problems. Number 5. Listen to your car. Cars often give us warning signs before something goes wrong. If you hear an unusual noise, feel a vibration, or notice any change in how your car drives, don't ignore it. Even if it goes away, it's worth getting it checked out. Catching problems early can save you a lot of money and extend the life of your car. So, be attentive and proactive when something seems off. Number 6. Use winter tires, even with AWD. If you have an all-wheel drive vehicle, you might think you're set for winter driving, but AWD helps with traction, not with stopping. Winter tires are designed to provide better grip on snow and ice, which can help you stop more effectively and avoid accidents. So, even if you have AWD, investing in a set of winter tires is a smart move for safety and preserving your car. Number 7. Follow the owner's manual for maintenance. Your car's owner's manual is your best friend when it comes to maintenance. It has specific recommendations for when to change oil, replace filters, and perform other services. Don't rely on dealer suggestions, which might be more frequent than necessary. Stick to what the manufacturer recommends, and you'll keep your car running optimally without overspending. Number 8. Use genuine parts. When it's time to replace parts, whether it's filters, belts, or more significant components, opt for genuine parts from the manufacturer. They might be a bit more expensive, but they're designed specifically for your car and will fit and function better than aftermarket alternatives. This can prevent issues and ensure longevity. Number 9. Park correctly to protect your transmission. Here's a simple but important tip. When parking, especially on an incline, use your parking brake. This takes the stress off your transmission's parking pawl, which is a small piece that can wear out or break if overloaded. Also, make sure to come to a complete stop before shifting into park or reverse to avoid damaging the transmission. Number 10. Avoid overloading your car. Every car has a maximum load capacity, and exceeding it can put undue stress on the suspension, brakes, and engine. Check your owner's manual for the weight limit and try to stay within it. Additionally, remove unnecessary items from your car to reduce weight. This not only helps with longevity, but also improves fuel efficiency. Bonus tip: fix a cracked windshield with garlic. Okay, this one is a bit out there, but it's a temporary fix that might come in handy. If you have a small crack in your windshield, you can rub a cut clove of garlic over it. The juice acts as a temporary adhesive that can prevent the crack from spreading until you can get it professionally repaired. It's not a permanent solution, but it can buy you some time. So there you have it. 10 life hacks, plus a bonus tip to help your car last longer. Remember, the key is consistency and attention to detail. By incorporating these practices into your routine, you can enjoy your car for many years to come. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that while these tips can significantly extend your car's life, nothing lasts forever. But with proper care, you can get the most out of your vehicle and avoid premature breakdowns. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car care tips. And if you have any hacks of your own, share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.